Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to align your watch hands, how to sync your analog and digital time, or how to perform hand-home position adjustment on the Gshock GA-2300. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode where the watch tells the time, press and hold the adjust button for about 5 seconds until sub begins to flash over here. So let's go. Press and hold, 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 and let go. So only when the sub appears over here, you let go the adjust button. Now we are in the position of setting or aligning our watch hands. First hand to align is the day hand over here. The correct position is when it's pointing at Sunday, and currently it is, so it is the correct position. But if it's not, you press the light button to rotate it anti-clockwise, or start button to rotate it clockwise and fine-tune your day hand. So, and there it is. Now it is positioned correctly. I've set my day hand, so now I'm gonna press the mode button, and the hour and minute hands should align themselves exactly at 12 o'clock. That is the correct position for my hour and minute hand. And they are positioned correctly, but if they are not positioned correctly, you press the light button to rotate it anti-clockwise, or start button to rotate it clockwise. To engage fast rotation, simply press one of those two buttons and hold it for a second, and it will start to rotate fast. To stop it, simply press one of those two buttons again, and to fine-tune it, you press the button in increments of 1. So let's get it back to 12 o'clock exactly. There it is. Stop. Light button to rotate it anti-clockwise and to align it exactly at 12 o'clock. That is the proper alignment of my hour and minute hand, and we previously aligned our day hand. Now the watch hands are aligned properly. To get back to the standard timekeeping mode and to implement the settings, simply press the adjust button, and now my analog time or hands should align themselves exactly at 19 o'clock, which my digital time is saying. So let's see if they do. And they do. Now my watch hands are aligned properly. With the watch back to the standard timekeeping mode, we have also come to an end on the tutorial video on how to adjust your watch hands on the Gshock GA-2300. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.